Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Patty and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And on this YouTube channel, I document my reselling journey and I share tips and tricks that I learn along the way, as well as what sell videos, thrift hauls, and also ThredUp unboxings. And that's what I have for you today. I have a ThredUp mix, the rescue box for the jeans. I've never gotten this before. So they have a 15-pound and a 30-pound. So I got the 15-pound because I didn't know what to expect. I've watched some other resellers and sometimes they get some really great brands and sometimes not so great. So I wanted to start off with the $15 15-pound box, and it costs about $24. So it's not that big of a risk. And I knew I would get at least enough in there to make my money back since it's only $24. And if you're not familiar with ThredUp, what ThredUp is, it's like an online thrift store. And a lot of people send their items there for them to sell for them. And they get a cut of what sells. But what happens is, I think they have about 3 months, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4 months that it's on the site. And if it doesn't sell within that time, the buyer can reclaim it and sell it themselves. But I have seen some resellers just sometimes send it back in to see if it'll sell a second time. But if they don't reclaim it, they go in these boxes. Also, the things that go in these boxes are things that ThredUp doesn't want to take for whatever reason. Like maybe it doesn't have the size tag in there. They also don't take men's items. So you never know what you're going to get in these boxes, which to me is the fun of it. I like, seeing what's in there. And also, I am in South Georgia, so I don't have access to a lot of higher end brands. So I like to get these ThredUp boxes because every once in a while you have something in there that's a high value, high dollar item. So I'm going to go ahead and go through, and I actually already went through the box because this is my second recording, because first recording for whatever reason did not turn out well. So I'm not going to be as surprised with the stuff that I'm getting because I've already seen it before, but I was pretty pleased with the box that I am going to get. So I'm going to go ahead and show you right now what I'm getting. And if it's a brand that I don't know a lot about, I will either come on at the end with some research that I've done, or when I'm in the editing process, I'll go ahead and put the comps up for it. I'll do that for other brands as well because I like to watch these types of videos to see what things are selling for, learn about a brand that I haven't, heard of before. So you may be doing the same thing. So I'll go ahead and put up some comps for you. So if you're seeing the same things when you're out thrifting, you'll kind of know what you can get for it. All right. So first we have this pair of Lucky Brand jeans. I do like selling Lucky Brand. These are a lighter wash and they are distressed in the front. I don't see any staining on them. They're distressed in the back. The tag for them actually looks pretty good. Doesn't have a whole lot of wear on them. The tag on the inside is really good, so I don't think that these have been worn very much. It is a size 829 and the style is Sienna Cigarette. So that'll work. Next we have some Old Navy. They're just some Rockstar jeans, really tiny. These are a size, what's the size of these? These are a size 4, but they're in decent condition. Looking at these early, I couldn't tell if the bottom, if they're supposed to look like that or if they let the hem out of them. But I'll probably just put these up for auction on eBay. And I'm going to start putting more stuff up for auction because it extends the amount of listings that I have. Because I have like the store that's with 350 listings, but I get 250 auctions. So with my sale inventory or things that I don't think are going to sell for very well or a lot, like the mall brands. I'm gonna start putting up for auction. These are some cute little tiny Hollister shorts. I will see if my niece can wear these because they are a size 24, size 0. Yeah, those look like, I think my baby can wear those. Won't bother to try to sell those. These are a pair of 7 for All Mankind. I have sold these before. They are a little bit worn, but not a whole lot. But look at the bottoms. Ooh, interesting. And it's winter time, so that would be great to wear right now. But this is the back of them, a little bit distressed on the back. Let's see what size these are. I'll be interested to see how much these go for. They are a 28. So I can't wait to see the comps for that one. Next we have this cute vest from Forever 21. This is not a brand that I hardly ever pick up unless, I think I sold some overalls from them before, but it has to be like really cute because, you know, they don't go for a whole lot. But I think this vest will do well. It's light wash, it's premium denim, and it's a size small, so I can definitely see that doing okay in my closet or my eBay store. These are some Gap ultra low rise. Don't mind selling Gap because people know, you know, what size they wear in Gap. These are ankle jeans. They are in really good condition. They don't look like they've been worn very much. The bottoms are great. Don't see any puckering or anything with them. So that's good. Next we have some Ava and Viv Bermuda short, size 18W. From the writing on there, I'm wondering, kind of looks like the Old Navy type writing. So I have to see where these are sold, but they're the cuff on the bottom kind of coming out a little bit, but they're in decent condition. They're not very worn. So based on comps, see if I'm going to put it in my closet or just put it up for auction, especially with them being some shorts. This right here are Page jeans. I have heard them, but this label looks a little different from the ones that I normally see on these channels. This is a 30. A little bit distressed in the front, some whisking. The bottoms are wide. Nice design on the pockets. These are the Robertson. Alright, so I will look these up, see what these go for. But not bad. Good condition. Next we have some more little teeny tiny, some Cat and Jack. I'll just put these straight for auction because these are sold at Target and they're in pretty good condition, especially to be kids jeans. But I don't sell on Kitizen because I don't really pick up a whole lot of kids clothes, although I have seen on other sellers channels that they also do women's clothes. But I think the 3 that I'm on right now is enough for me. I don't really want to go on like an extreme amount of platforms. That's just more platforms I gotta remember to delist from. So alright, so we have an Old Navy skirt. I do like selling jean skirts. This is a size 12. It has a kind of a vintage look to me. It's not old enough to be vintage. Oh, I just realized I'm going to have to notate that it was taken up along the waist right here. Although my mom's a seamstress, I might just get her to take that out for me. Because it wasn't cut, it was just stitched up. So, alright, we have a pair of Levi's, and they are the super low Levi's 518. They are a size 7. They are in pretty good condition. Here's the back. And I do remember that I have another pair of 7 jeans, and I may just lot them together because I don't really do, I don't pick up junior size. So I'll lot those together on eBay. These are another pair of, no, actually these are just 7. They're not 7 for mankind, they're just 7. And they are some like capri type jeans. They're in, so it has like a little bit of distressing on the sides. So I might just put this for auction or just put it in my store, see what it sells for. I just sold some 7, but it was the jeans. I sold them on Mercari. Right, here are some Riders jeans. They are a size 18W, and they are in pretty good condition. They feel really good. They don't feel like they have been worn very much. They don't look like they've been worn very much. So Riders probably won't go for a whole lot, but like I said, they are in good condition, so they should do pretty well. Alright, here are I've never heard of this brand before. It is, my finger, is Hydraulic. They're really cute though. Cute little pair of, call them booty shorts. They are a 3-4. Okay, someone might still be looking for those, though it's getting a little cooler. And another pair of Levi's. These are the 2 super low. These are size 7. These are the other size 7s. And like I said, I may lot them or I may just put them for auction, see what they do. But yeah, it's in good condition. And then last but not least are these modern skinny by Loft in a red color. Now, I've never sold colored denim. I've heard some resellers say that it doesn't really do that great, but it's Loft, so maybe someone's looking for that style and want something a little bit different. But yeah, so that is what I had in my box. Like I said, I'm pleased with the box. I'll definitely make my money back. You have a lot of brands that people know and are probably looking for with the mall brands and the 7 of all mankind's. See how much the Paige jeans are going to go for. But I'll go ahead and, like I said, when I'm doing the edit, I'll put the comps up so you can kind of see what these brands go for. I'll also, because this is my first jeans box, I'll put a couple of other resellers, their jean ThredUp boxes down below, so you can kind of see what they got. I mean, of course, with these, you never know. It depends on where you are, where your box is going to come from. Like I said, I'm in South Georgia, so my boxes usually come from North Georgia, like in Duluth, Suwanee area. This is from Suwanee. So it's just a luck of the draw. But this box was only $24, like I said. So, you know, not much of a gamble in my opinion. You know, I've seen other resellers where some person got like pants legs, like wasn't even the whole jeans, got some jeans and got a whole bunch that they really couldn't sell. Like all of these, with the exception of maybe the Cat and Jack, all of these are, in my opinion, in sellable condition. It's just a, you know, a thing of whether or not I'm going to get, but they are costing me less than $1 because I got 16 pairs of jeans or shorts and like a vest. So it's, you know, I'll definitely make my money back. It's going to be hard to not make my money back on this box. So I have another ThredUp box so that I'm going to may record today or tomorrow, but I'll put it up soon. So if you want to see what I get in that, is the mixed clothing box. I always enjoy those boxes because you never know what you're going to get into those as well. Sometimes I look up and get some things that sell for pretty good amounts in those boxes. And will be putting that on YouTube in the next couple of days. So make sure you hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you will be alerted by YouTube when that airs. And if you learn anything, you like what you see, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button and comment below. Have you had a ThredUp box? Like, what was your best thing that you've gotten out of your ThredUp box? Or what was your worst thing that you got? You know, if you haven't gotten them. And if you haven't gotten them, you know, do you think you'll be getting any in the future? You know, why or why not? Go ahead and comment down below. And I will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.